In this video, we are going to see how you can get all Pump.Fun token data using Bitquery APIs. You can get latest price, supply, all the token pairs, each token pair's trading stats, building charts API, getting metadata, getting OHLCV data. So let's get started. I'm going to get a token address from Pump.Fun using Photon. Let's click on this, grab the token address, go to docs.bitquery.io, click on V2 docs, go to L1 chains, go to Solana, then go to Pump.Fun API. This is the compiled list for all the Pump.Fun APIs by Bitquery. Now let's get the price for this token. Here is get latest price of a token on Pump.Fun API. Click on here, replace the address to this address which I've copied. Now let's run this query. I will see the price in USD here. Now let's get the tokens metadata. Here you can see the API, get tokens creation time, dev address and metadata. Click on this. Click on here. This is the GraphQL query, or you can call the API. I will just paste the address here, for which I need to get the metadata, dev address and creation time, and run this query. Here I can see the creation time, metadata, transaction signer is the dev address. Supply of a Pump.Fun token is fixed to 1 billion, but burn events can happen. So you can track the supply of a token using the Solana token supply API page. Here get to this get supply of specific token. Click on here, replace this address of currency mint to the Pump.Fun token address for which I want to calculate the supply. Now run the query. You will see the supply and post balance. Now let's get all the trading pairs of this token. Again go back to Pump.Fun API page. Here is this API, get all the trading pairs of a token. Click here, replace the currency mint address here, and now run the query. You will see all of the trading pairs. Right now the trading pair is only on Pump.Fun. Now let's get OHLCV data for the last 10 minutes. Here is the API, get OHLC data of a token on Pump.Fun. Click on this here button. It will take you to the IDE. Now just replace this with the currency address you want to get the OHLC for. It gets me the last 10-minute OHLC data in 1 minute intervals. Now let's get trading pair statistics for one of the pairs. Trading pair statistics API is basically this one, which will get you the buy volume, the sell volume, number of buys, sells, makers, total traded volume, distinct buyers, distinct numbers of sellers of a specific token. Click on here and pull up the variables. Pull up the variables. Here replace the token address. Grab the pair address. Replace this with 900. Change the date. Today is 19th February. I will get the trading pair stats for the last 5 minutes and last 1 hour. Here you can see the details. Now for charting API, you can go through one of our tutorials on how to build your own charts using our APIs. Go to How to Guides tab. In here, go to Trading View Charting. Navigate to this Trading View Advanced Charts. So this is the tutorial which will help you to build chart for your Pump.Fun tokens pretty easily. So this was the ultimate Pump.Fun API tutorial through which you can get live prices, supply, market cap, OHLCV, metadata, dev address, creation time, all the trading pairs, trading pair statistics, and also help you build charts. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.